Hi, this is Manoj Jagya. This is yet another session of Capsule Literature series. This is session number 8. In this lecture, I am going to discuss with you Maharashtra Set 2021 question answers. The first question that I have in front of me is the subtitle of Thomas Nash's The Unfortunate Traveller is. So remember, the subtitle of Thomas Nash's The Unfortunate Traveller is the life of Jack Wilton. The life of Jack Wilton. Basically, this novel deals with Jack Wilton, who was the assistant of Earl of Surrey, and he used to travel with Earl of Surrey. And this novel, The Unfortunate Traveller, is published in the year 1594, and remember, it is the first picaresque novel in English. And this novel was set during Henry VIII of England. The next question that I have is Charles Dickens's Hard Times mainly deals with dash. So the question is very simple if you know the story of Hard Times and if you have the background knowledge of the typical writing of Charles Dickens's novels. So Charles Dickens's Hard Times mainly deals with social and industrial problems. He basically deals with working class people, industrial factory problems. This is the 10th novel of Charles Dickens, Hard Times, and it deals with social and industrial problems. Basically, this is a condition of England novel. It's a social novel. It shows industrialization and it surveys English society and it satirizes the social and economic conditions of the era. Next question. The Deconstructive Angel is an essay by, a very famous one, repeatedly asked. The Deconstructive Angel is an essay by M.H. Abrams. Remember, it is an essay by M.H. Abrams. And why this title, The Deconstructive Angel? Because in this essay, M.H. Abrams is basically criticizing the concept, the theory of deconstruction. And after M.H. Abrams wrote this essay, The Deconstructive Angel, a reply came up. By whom? By J.H. Miller. And he replied to this Deconstructive Angel with an essay, a counter essay, where he's praising deconstruction. Remember, J.H. Miller was a Yale critic. Along with J.H. Miller, Paul Deman, Geoffrey Hartman, Harold Bloom, all were Yale critics. So he wrote a reply where he's praising deconstruction, wherein M.H. Abrams wrote The Deconstructive Angel criticizing the theory of deconstruction. Next question was on figure of speech. You have to identify the figure of speech in this line. O death in life, the days that are no more. Quite simple. Death in life. Oxymoron. Death cannot be there in life. So obviously two contradictory words placed side by side is oxymoron, like regularly irregular. So death in life, oxymoron it is. Now this line, O death in life, the days that are no more. These lines are from Tennyson's poem Tears, Idle Tears. Next question. John Fowles's novel The French Lieutenant's Woman deals with. Options given were degradation of post-war, Victorian love story, Elizabethan period, England during Restoration period. Now see, if you have read this novel, have a little idea about this novel, you must know about this very famous woman character, Sarah, who claims to be the mistress of the French sailorman, the French lieutenant. So their love story is like on and off kind of thing. So it is a typical Victorian love story. So option B is correct, Victorian love story. Remember, this novel is very important because it has 3 endings. And it is the third novel of John Fowles. The first was The Collector, published 1963. Second novel was Magus, M-A-G-U-S, published 1965. And then it was The French Lieutenant's novel, The French Lieutenant's Woman, published 1969, which is a postmodern historic fiction. So that's all for this session. Thank you.